Everyone, this is Mitch from HEREITFIRST.com. This is our second video, our first video, which we uploaded last night. We did First Solar, FSLR, and today we're going to bring you Amazon. Amazon's one of those e-commerce companies. They're a growth company because they're not making any money right now. And even though their revenue is pretty impressive in terms of growth, they're still not turning a profit. That's just a brief fundamental outlook of Amazon. Let's take a look at the chart here. So this is my basic setup. Before I do my analysis on TradingView, I like stock charts once again because they keep things simple. So sometimes my charts get complex and it gets confusing. So which is why I go to stock charts just to have a brief view, because it's hard to get confused with this chart. So once again, you use the 50-day MA or 200, doesn't really matter. I just want to see where everything is at, especially for a stock like Amazon. The moving averages aren't going to be that far away from each other. Bollinger Band just to see volatility. Parabolic SIR just to see the trends. As you can see here, Amazon recently just broke off. 440s got rejected and down the journey it goes. In terms of the chart, 300 is always a psychological number for traders, just like 200 or 100. But other than that, the next level of support I can see is right here, 290, 292 level, or the 305, because of this candle over here. In terms of looking for conditions, RSI and stochastics are usually the same for me. I don't even know why ADX is here. Usually I just leave the default, which is MACD. But let's head over to, with stochastics, I do 1233. ADX, I use it for penny stocks, but I leave it as default. RSI, I keep it default at 14. Parabolic SAR, I keep the defaults. Bollinger Bands, I keep default. Simple moving average, I might use the 4-day simple moving average because I use it just like the 8-day exponential moving average. Let's take a look at Amazon over here. For this chart, I keep stochastics. I don't use RSI, MACD on this chart because I try to keep it as simple as possible, because it gets complex over here when I start using fibs and all those things. I use fibs for day trading, so if I ever upload a day trading video, which I plan to soon, I will show you guys how to use Fibonacci methods. I'm planning to do a level 2 video and a 9-hour video of how I day trade within the next 2 weeks. So volume, like the last video, keep default. Bollinger Bands default. The 8-day exponential moving average. This is the most important indicator there is. This is called a T line, trend line. So basically, it shows me breakouts and in either direction, bearish or bullish, bearish or bullish trends. The SMA, I use that one for breakouts and whatnot when the stock is volatile. So let's say one day it moved 20%, the next day it dropped 10%. You know, the 8-day exponential average isn't going to help much. It will help, but it's just not going to be as accurate, based on my opinion, compared to the 4-day simple moving average. So again, over here, stochastics, when it's over 80, the stock drops. Again, over 80, around this area, stock dropped. Over 80, dropped over here. The reason why I think that Amazon finally found its bottom, even though this candle might signal another bearish run, is because of this trend line that I'm going to show you right over here. Like I mentioned, this video is going to be very quick and short because it doesn't get more easier than this. As you can see, this trend line is forming nicely, and I believe that Amazon will bounce off this support line. If anything, it might bounce around here, 301, which I mentioned before, which is also where the Bollinger Band is. in terms of the exponential moving average, as you can see here, if it breaks, it's gonna be a positive trend line, which you can see over here. It broke over here, and consecutive 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 consecutive green days. But as you can see here, once it broke through, it was a breakout to the bearish side, which you can see over here. And I believe this bearish runs over, again, two reasons: this trend line over here and stochastics, my favorite indicator over here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like, subscribe, and good luck trading. Stay tuned for our next video.